Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a receipt in the United Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application at your phone. And then click on the My United button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the Receipts button. So as you can see, you can search for your receipt by card number or confirmation number. So if you want to search by card number, you have to provide your first name, your last name, the last four digits of the card, and then the travel date range. And if you search by confirmation number, then you need to provide the confirmation or the e-ticket number, your first name and your last name, and just click on the search button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.